What all does one need for painting? Colors, brushes, palette, canvases. Carrying all these is a hassle, but there's an easy way out. Viviva Travel Paint Kit. It's lightweight and easy to carry around. It's handcrafted in vegan leather and holds beautiful color sheets. And a Sketchpad. I can refill this kit with new color sheets and Sketchpad anytime. It holds a Waterbrush and a black marker too. This kit is extremely flexible to use. Sometimes I like to just let myself go and paint my heart out. I can just take out color sheets and Sketchpad from the kit and paint as long as I want. For extra convenience, it comes in A5 and A6 size. For a sketcher within me, I just fold and hold this kit and draw anything sitting anywhere in the world. It also comes with 2 extra pockets. I can keep my cards and a cloth to clean my Waterbrush. Best part is, it doesn't get messy. This kit holds everything so tight that I never make a mistake. Paint with no mess, no stress.